Most people think AI video tools are only good for flashy one-off clips. So, I wanted to put that to the test with something real. Just one flat, ordinary photo of an Apple Watch sitting on a plain surface, and a single question. Can Flova actually turn this into a full Apple-style commercial that looks like it costs $10,000 to shoot?
That's exactly what I'm testing today with Flova X Seedance 2.5. Not just whether it can generate something impressive once, but whether it holds up in real production where things need to be fixed, adjusted, and controlled. Before I even get into the generation, here's what makes Flova different. It's not just a video generator. It's a complete creative workspace, projects, models, over 100 professional skills, an asset library, canvas-based workflows, and even Flova CLI, all sitting inside one place. So rather than typing out a prompt from scratch every single time, I can just pick a skill that's already built for exactly what I need. For this challenge, I'm selecting the product promo video skill, uploading my Apple Watch as the main product reference, and giving Flova a short creative brief. Once I submit it, Flova takes over as my creative director. Before anything gets generated, it shows me a full prompt preview. Right here, I can read the exact prompt it's about to use. Cinematic 5-shot product commercial for an Apple Watch, studio setting, premium tech brand aesthetic. I can see the model, Flova X Seedance 2.5, my product reference image, the camera direction, and the visual style, which is set to an Apple-style clean tech commercial. Instead of just accepting it, I make one change myself, adjusting the camera direction to a more dramatic close orbit rotation around the watch face. This is the part that matters most to me. I'm not blindly generating content, I'm reviewing and controlling the creative direction before a single frame is made. Flova then builds out the full storyboard. 5 cinematic shots. The first one, the Apple Watch slowly emerging from darkness as a single light sweeps across the metal casing and glass face. Studio black background, cinematic slow dolly in, Apple-style product reveal. The second, an extreme macro shot of the watch face lighting up, the display glowing to life with a smooth animated dial. Shallow depth of field, premium tech commercial lighting. The third, the watch resting on a wrist, the screen showing a notification light up as fingers gently tap the display. Clean minimal background, cool-toned lighting. The fourth, a smooth transition shot of the watch rotating on a reflective glass surface, light catching the edges of the case from every angle, minimal studio backdrop. And the fifth, the final hero shot, the Apple Watch centered on a soft gradient background, studio lighting, with the text overlay, built for focus. This is where the transformation really hits. One flat, ordinary product photo, run through Flova and Seedance 2.5, turning into a complete 30-second premium tech commercial. That's the real test of a production tool. Not whether it can generate something impressive once, but whether it can fix one specific problem without forcing you to rebuild everything around it. Once every shot is finalized, I ask Flova to combine them into one polished commercial. And this is where it comes together. The hero shot, the macro display detail, the wrist shot, the rotating reveal, and the final hero frame. But here's what makes this more than a one-time project. This entire setup is a reusable product commercial workflow. I take the exact same product promo video skill, swap out the Apple Watch for a different product, in this case a pair of wireless earbuds, and within moments Flova generates a new premium commercial sequence using the same structure, same visual language, same level of polish, different product, same professional system. So, after testing this from a single product photo all the way to a finished commercial, here's my honest take. Flova isn't about generating one lucky clip. It's about taking a raw idea, running it through a structured, controllable workflow, and being able to fix exactly what's broken without losing everything else. That's what actually makes it usable for real production work, not just demos. If you want to try this yourself, Flova is linked in the description. Use its Seedance 2.5 professional skills to build your own reusable product commercial workflow.